Welcome vlog. Welcome to my guys. Ito yung light beam M1.
Ano dyan ha?
Welcome vlog. Welcome to my guys. Ito yung light beam M1.
Ano dyan ha?
Ayun.
Nag-unboxing ko.
Tell me what to do. Show me how to feel under your control. Everything is real. So hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession.
Dalawa yung kamay. Si Ron, marami kami Ron.
Never any tension, nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Listen up, cause these are the directions. Obey what I say, don't complain, I don't wanna hear questions. Follow my lead, time to fall to your knees. It's an order, it's not a suggestion. I'm about to teach you a lesson, I recommend you pay attention. This is my kingdom, you're stripped of all freedom. You want nothing but my possession. Head back, hands tied, mouth shut, eyes wide. Baby, I'm yours. So baby, I'm yours. Whatever you say, go. Nobody needs to know. Whatever you say, go. I'm under your control. So hit me. So for the remainder, you were about to get chained up. If ever you feel you're in danger, just say the safe word, I won't get anger. Now, I'm done being playful, I promise that I keep it tasteful. So, lay on the table, cause this is about to get painful. Open up wide, I'm going inside. You're not going nowhere until the sunrise. I love when you scream, I know what it means. That's why we make a good team, but never a witness. How we get off is nobody's business, is it? So, it's funny how nobody knows how much you love being under control. Tell me what to do. Show me how to feel. Show me how to feel. Under your control. Under your control. Everything is real. Whatever you say, go. Nobody needs to know. Whatever you say, go. I'm under your control. So hit me. Nothing but love and affection. So hit me. Nothing but love and affection. So hit me. Head back, hands tied, mouth shut, eyes wide. Baby, I'm yours. I said, baby, I'm yours. Whatever you say, go.
Ito, kahit nasa baba na to sa loob na to. Pre, ito sa loob na to, di ba? POE. Dan. POE device. Dito siya. So, para makita ng viewers.
Whatever you say, go. Nobody needs to.
Hindi, testing ko. Ano lang, nakita ko lang yung pag-setup. Ay, yung pag-assemble.
Oh, tama.
Tapos,
Ginagamit din to pag yung mga sumasakay mo jeep ng bunker.
tapos to. Dito. POE. Tapos to, power. Nakaganyan siya. Di ba may pole? Ito yung nasa pole.
Yan, extra natin si Ronnie. Yan. Yan mga kaboji. May tayo si Ronnie po.
Yung sa pole.
Yan.
Nakaganyan siya. Bali
Okay.
ito. Makapasok dito.
Okay.
Kasya na ba sa tres to?
Yan, so,
Oh, tres na yan eh. Tres na yan eh.
Pero kung ano,
Yeah, just-
siguro kuha pa tayo ng mas malaking ganito.
Tapos palagyan mo ng goma.
Siguro.
Ayan, pwede mo na lagay yan.
Yun. Tapos bukas setup nyo na.
Okay.